Hello students, hope you all are well and taking the full advantages of the videos provided to you by the school. Today we will study lesson 2 of your book, that is Human Body, the Teeth. Children, teeth is a very important part of our body as it helps us to chew our food and it gives our face a proper shape. In this chapter, we are going to study the importance of teeth, the sets of teeth and types of teeth, also the part of a tooth and how to care of our teeth. Now, can you imagine yourself taking a bite of your favorite food without teeth? No, we cannot enjoy our food without teeth. So teeth is very important as it helps to bite and chew our food. It makes the process of digestion easier because what will happen if we will not chew our food properly, then our stomach and the intestine will not be able to digest the food. Okay, now another part. Imagine your smiling picture without teeth. How will you look? Will you look beautiful? No, na? Yes, because teeth also provides a better shape to our face. So, well, it doesn't sound great. Clean and well-kept teeth make our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. So that's why you have seen that old people, those who lose their teeth, don't have the proper shape of their face. Okay. So now teeth helps us to speak clearly. So if we don't have teeth, we will not be able to speak clearly also. Okay. Now we must have heard old people speaking without teeth. So their speech is not clear because teeth helps us to speak properly. It controls the passage of wind through our mouth so that the words are uttered properly. So your teeth are very important part of our body. So now what we have learned? We have learned that teeth help us to chew our food. It gives a shape to our face and it also helps us to speak clearly. Now let us read a bit more in detail. Now what is teeth? A newborn baby does not have any teeth. The first tooth generally starts to appear when the child is 6 months old. So have you seen a small newborn child? Does it has teeth? No, na? No. Children are not born with teeth. Only after 6 months a new teeth appears. By the time child is 2.5 years old, he or she will have 20 teeth. Okay. Now these are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Why are these teeth called temporary? Because these teeth shed by the age of 6 to 12 years and permanent set of teeth, they grow. Now, between the age of 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth fall out one by one and the new one grows. In their place, the second set of the teeth is called permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in total. 16 each in the upper and lower jaw. So this is our jaw, this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. So 16 teeth will be there. So in the permanent set, you see this is temporary one, this is permanent one. So in the permanent set, you will see 16 teeth, they will be in the lower jaw and the 16 they will be in the upper jaw. Okay, now this set of teeth continues until the last. So now it will not happen that when we lose the set of permanent teeth, we are going to get a new set of teeth. This lasts for till it lasts, it will be there. Okay. Now types of teeth. So first we'll look into this figure. Okay. So here we'll see incisor. Then incisor, the front, you see the front 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So these are called incisors. Now again towards the side of incisors will be canine. Then there will be premolar. This one's premolar, and then molar. So one by one we'll study about the types of teeth and their uses. Why are these teeth used? Now, based on the function, teeth are mainly classified into 4 types. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Now, what are incisors? These teeth are thin and sharp. They help in cutting and biting off pieces of food. So the front 4 teeth, upper side 4, and then in the lower jaw 4. This total 8 teeth are used for cutting and biting the pieces of food. There are 8 incisors in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. They are placed in the front of both the jaws. Now, the canines. Canines are sharp and pointed. They are used to tear the food. So this one is the canine tooth just beside of the incisors you see here. Okay. So now what is the use? They are used to tear the food. There are 4 canines in all, 2 in each jaw, 2 upper and 2 the bottom jaw. There is 1 canine on both sides of the incisors. Canines are bigger and sharper in fresh-eating animals, so that tearing flesh is easier. Now premolars. Premolars, let us see in the figure. You see this one. After first incisors are there, then canines are there, then premolars are there. Now what are premolars? Premolars are sharp, broad teeth. They help to crush and chew food. There are 8 premolar in all, 4 in each jaw. They are next to the canines. Now next is the molar. You see in the figure the last set, no, this one, the last part, molars. Now what are these molars? So molars are the bigger and flatter than premolars, with the broader upper surface to chew and grind the food. So what is the role of the molar? The role of the molar is to chew your food properly and grind the food nicely so that now it goes to the stomach properly. These are the last teeth towards the end of the mouth. There are 12 molars in all. Now out of them, 8 grow first, 2 on each side of the premolars. 4 more molars grow later. When we grow older, then the 4 molars, they grow later on. Now, plant-eating animals have well-developed premolars and molars, as they need to chew and grind their food a lot. So what we'll find? We will find that the flesh-eating animals like lion, tiger will not have well-developed molars and premolars. But whereas the animals like cow, those who eat grass and plants, will have well-developed molar and premolar teeth. Okay, now we'll also study about the parts of the tooth. So first here we'll see the tooth structure. So here you see the outermost covering. Here you see it is called the crown. This part is called the crown. Then comes the neck part and then comes the root part. There are nerves and blood cells also attached inside the teeth. Okay, so let us see in details. A tooth has a crown and a root. So this is the crown and this is the root. The crown is the part we see where the root is the visible part of the teeth is the crown. So from here to here we can see, and this is inside the gums, so we could not see this part. Okay. The root holds the tooth in the jaw. The outer line white covering of the tooth is called the enamel. So enamel is this one white covering. Okay, this white covering is called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the human body. The layer under the enamel is called dentine. So here this one just below the layer of enamel is dentine. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. This part. This is called the pulp. Okay. It is the softest part of the tooth. It is made up of nerves and blood vessels. It forms the central part of the tooth. It is what hurts when you get a toothache. So this part where the nerves are there, this is the blue nerve cells are there, no? So these are the sensitive part of the tooth. So when you have a toothache, means these nerves are present where they have senses to sense that ache there. Okay. So today we end till here. In the next video, we will discuss how to take care of the tooth properly. Okay, students, study well and revise your chapters well. The question answers that I had given you for your first chapter, please write down them in your fair copy. If you don't have your fair copy, you can write in rough copy, but be prepared. Children, those who have bought your new copies, please write down the question answers there. Okay? Thank you.